Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvin Click. I'm here to show you how to make money online by NFT mining. Okay, before we get started, I want to show you something. Before we get started, I want to tell you that you must be having this application. As in my previous video, I told you that you need this. So today we are going to be using this application right here. That one here. Here. It's called City NFT, or it's the same as Crypto Tab Browser NFT. So this application, it works just like this one here. You understand? Yeah, it works like just this one here. Crypto Tab Farm, Crypto Tab, as I already explained in the other previous video of mine. You understand? So today we are going to be getting Crypto Tab NFT mining application. So when you tap in the application, okay, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share, comment on this video. You have to wait a little bit longer. Okay. So this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. You see, I've not been mining for so long. I've also just started, but I took the initiative to share it here. As you can see, I've so far made only this amount of money. This amount of money here. It's not even $1. That's the amount of BTC I have already. So remember, I've just done it for 1 day. So if you're serious about it, you can even make more than that. So here, as you can see this, it's just a matter of getting the application and start mining. You understand? Very simple. So after they're going to first give you on the first day you get free mining. Then on the second day you'll have to buy a token so that you can start mining. You can either pay using BTC here. You can either pay, you can use this, or you can use Matic, or they're showing you the purchase currency of how you can buy tokens and start mining. But on the first day they'll give you this for free, then you will mine and be able to get that amount of money. Okay, very simple and secure. Okay, so you can easily withdraw when you connect your wallet, and you can be able to withdraw your funds. Another way of making money under this platform, just a reminder that they have an affiliate program, which is all right here. It's here the affiliate program here. Let me do this. So the affiliate program is here. You can do that. Either way, after making some little bit of coins, you can come to this option of withdrawing, so that you can withdraw that money. You understand? Here, withdraw BTC. Here you'll be able to, like, you refer people and they pay you a given amount of commission. You understand? So here is the withdraw history, as you can see here. So when your tokens are done, then you can come here to add token, or you just simply use this here down. I don't know if you saw that, but it's here. You can simply use that button, so you can be able to come here and add a token. You top up and then buy tokens and start mining. Literally, as I had already shown you in my previous video, same way here in Crypto Tab browser. That's what we do. Make money for free. Same way here, you can tap there or right there. Here you see, you can still come here. When you tap here, NFT mining, it will take you to the City NFT where we have been, and you do the same as I've said. You understand? So when you scroll, you see today I've already started mining today, but I've not boosted by using the City VPN. So I'm saying that you can see the hash rate is very low here. The the hash rate here is very, 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 very low. As you can see, it is only 300. Okay, so if you want to boost, I already explained in the previous video, if you want to boost, you just come here ×1 and you start boosting. You can either use the city VPN, so you can boost the hash rate of your mining and you can be able to generate. So the moment you're done with that, you just come here, turn on VPN. No, like turn on the NFT mining, so you will be able to, it will take you to the other application that I've told you to download, so you'll be able to start your NFT mining and you see that thing moving around. That bar will be moving up and down. Then, as I've already told you, if you there's an affiliate program with all these applications, so you can come along here and you copy that link and you share it to your friends. You'll be able to make some bitcoins, you understand. Same thing here on the crypto tab NFT. It's just a matter of sharing this link here. You copy from here, you'll be able to share the link, or you come here to share, you'll be able to share the link to your friends, so that when they sign up, you will be able to make some little bit of money. So you must make sure that they are active. When they sign up, they should be active. Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to tell you for today. Make money online by mining NFT and mining BTC.